Did you know ancient civilization had their own refrigerators? Over 2000 years ago in Persia, people built Yakhchals, indigenous cooling systems that worked without electricity. This massive dome-shaped structure stored ice, food, and even water, revolutionizing desert living. Yakhchals were made of thick mud and clay, with a design that naturally kept the inside cool even in blazing desert heat. The secret behind the structures were nothing but clever engineering. Vents pulled cool air inside while pushing out the heat. Underground chambers insulated ice collected in winter, keeping it frozen all year long. These ancient fridges were true engineering marvels. They remind us that sustainable solutions aren't just modern ideas. They have been here for centuries. Want to uncover more fascinating history? Hit like and subscribe for more.